All right. So
Testing one,
we all
two,
know
three.
this.
Testing this slide out. This is amazing.
Sorry, y'all. This is a slide I created earlier. Sorry. I was testing. So what I do, since that's a good thing I brought up. That's a good thing what I brought up. Okay, it's not on. Okay, so I record this presentations, my seller presentation, my buyer presentation, and I put it on YouTube. And I let every home sellers, if you want to buy a home, here's the link. Check this out. And it's me doing my VIP buyer presentation and me doing my VIP seller presentation. And I put it on YouTube and I market it and I put in a little a 1 second. You guys see all the reels that I do. It costs $1 a day to run a reel, y'all. That's all it costs. $1 a day. You could create a 60-second reel, put it on, and have it go all around your area, whatever area you want, for $1 a day. All right. So the Express Offer Program, you guys know what it looks like. So we're not going through the Express Offer Program, but this company here, I mean, they want to buy in every county in Georgia, and I'm sure and wherever you guys are, it's the same because I've already checked it. They have their criteria. And so since we're only talking about express offers today for the most part, and you guys have been calling, you've been doing the mailing, and people have responded, about 30% respond. You know what to say when you pick up the phone. You're getting them to be interested. You're going to the home, hopefully. Some of you guys that are having problems are not doing that. You're going to the home, right? Going to the home, taking a look at it. When you go to the home, hopefully you guys are taking notes this morning. What is your job? Your job is to share the presentation and to give them 3 options on helping them getting their home sold. One option is cash offer at 70 to 85% of market value. Well, which will I get, Shalia? We'll find out when we submit it, Mr. Thornton, right? In 72 hours, right? Okay. Will it be 70? Will it be 85%? I got one on March 8th. One of my ISAs just booked it because I was calling the leads myself first and wanted to hear what people were saying. Now that I know everything they're saying, I turned it into a system for my VAs. They started calling last week, and March 8th, I have 2 listing appointments in 2 days from now. And one of the things the lady said is, well, I want a cash offer, but I don't want a low ball offer. Who can tell me what a low ball offer is? Anybody? Y'all can get off mute.
I would say anything lower than what she expects to receive.
Yeah. So what's my number one question when I talk to her? What do you
expect to receive?
I don't know what a low ball offer is. Right. I know there's 3 offers. I know there's 3 prices when you sell your home. Price based on comps, price on conditions, price on what a buyer's willing to pay. Okay. So 3 options. Known as a cash offer program, 70 to 85% of market value. The second one is my program. I just tell you my program. I don't know what your program is. 100%. I guarantee you'll get 100% of market value, or you can pay me 0 commission. That's what I offer. Right. What's 100% of market value? Anybody?
Whatever the market is telling you, based on the comps.
Whatever the buyer.
Come on, take me there. Take me there. Some people don't know. Some people scratching their head. People are like, hey, what the hell are you talking about?
Whatever the price is based on the comps for that particular home in that area.
Is that market price?
The buyer's willing to pay.
There you go, Jill. That's why you on my team. That's why we eat. Right? Market price is what a buyer's willing to pay. So I'm gonna get paid regardless, right? Okay. So what if she or the seller and I agree upon a price though? And she says, well, market price based on your numbers, Anthony, based on what it is $350. And I say, oh, $350. If I don't get you $350, you could pay me 0. Does that sound fair, Ms. Smith? She goes, absolutely, Anthony. Because I'm so confident in my ability to price a home, right? I'm going to get her $350, right? If I don't, I'll take 0. Have I ever taken 0 my entire life? No. Have I been offering this program for over a decade? Yes. Yes. Because I know how to price a home because my skill set is high. Same stuff I taught you guys that an appraiser taught me. It's the same stuff I teach you guys. So I'm in full confidence when I walk into a listing appointment, I know what the range is on a home. Right? And then the third piece is the third option we give them. Hey, you can sell the home without me. I'll give you my for sale by on a checklist. Right? Step by step on how to do it. Here's what we know: 8 to 11% of for sale by owners' homes sell. So we got an 89 and 92% chance of getting the listing. Well, it takes about 7 to 10 days to get it, right? And then in the meantime, we also say, well, I'll do a free Epic open house system for you. You guys have seen all the videos from our Epic open houses, how 50, 70, 100, 200 people show up in 1 hour, right? There's a whole system beyond that, right? So brokers, agents, they want to be able to do this program you see here. You guys, it's like me living in LA.